In this video, we are going to learn how you can create a complete website from start to finish using Lovable AI. So let's get started. First, we're going to head over Lovable website. You can find the link in the video description. And after you come to this website, you can see there's a place where you can add a prompt. But before you add a prompt, make sure to click on Get Started and create a free account. Or if you already have an account, you can log in. But we are going to simply add our prompt over here. So this is our prompt. We are going to be building a website for a local coffee shop. So our prompt is create a modern, visually appealing, fully responsive website for a small local coffee shop called Brew Haven Cafe. The design should feel warm, cozy, and premium with earthy tones, coffee-inspired colors, elegant typography, and inviting imagery. Now here, if you have a color preference, you can add in the color preference over here. If you have a specific typography, you can add it over here. We also asked Lovable AI to create a logo for this coffee shop. Then we asked it to include a homepage, menu, about us, reservation, and a contact page. We also added things that we want to include in these pages, such as the menu page should have hot coffee, iced coffee, tea, pastries, and breakfast snacks. Now, if you're creating a coffee shop or a restaurant themed website, you can create a menu page and include what items you want to include in the menus. Later on, we also said that the website should have soft animation on scroll, smooth navigation, sticky header, modern footer, and it should be fully responsive. So you can add the features you want on your website. So from here, we're simply going to click on this small arrow over here. And as expected, it's asking us to create a free account, or we can log in. So let's go ahead and log in as we have an account. We're going to click on continue with email. We're going to add in our email address and password and log into our Lovable account. All right, so we logged into our account. And now we can see that our prompt is still over here. Now, like before, we are simply going to click on this small button over here and wait for Lovable AI to process it. Now, it's going to take some time before Lovable AI can create this website, and it's going to keep you informed of all the steps it's going through. You can see that it's designing some logo, and it's also designing some images for the website. So you can sit back and see the progress on screen. Alright, our website has been created. As you can see, the result is really amazing. So if we expand this and take a look at our site, we have a home section over here. The logo is over here, although it's a bit small, but we can fix it later on. We have an option to book a table, and here are the texts and some buttons over here to explore the menu and reserve a table. Now let's go ahead and scroll down and check out the rest of the site. And we can feel that smooth scrolling animation. Here we have a section, and here's another section, and an option to browse the menu. It also created a baking section over here. Now if we scroll down, here we can see the option to reserve a table, and we also have a modern footer as we requested. So the website looks quite impressive. And you can also see that we have a sticky header over here. So let's go ahead and also check out some of the other pages. Now we also have an issue, as you can see, if we scroll on top over here, these menu items can barely be seen. So we have to fix that as well. So let's go ahead. First, let's check the menu page. Here's the menu page. And as we have requested, all the items have been added over here with different varieties, as you can see. It also generated these images for us. Now let's also see if this section is working. If we select iced coffee, it's going to directly send us to the iced coffee section. Yes, perfectly. It's working very nice. Now let's take a look at the about section. It created a story for the coffee shop, mission and values section, meet the team section. So it also generated some AI images. You'll also be able to replace these images with real ones, and we'll see how you can do that later on. Okay, let's also see the table booking feature. So if we go to the reservation page, over here we can see there's a booking form with full name, phone number, email address, date, and special request, and then users will be able to confirm their reservation. So everything is looking really nice. Now let's go ahead and also see if the website is responsive. So over here we can see there's an option. Now if we switch over to mobile devices, you can see everything is perfectly responsive. So we have a fully responsive website for a local coffee shop just within minutes. First, I would like to do something about this header situation that we have over here. I want to add a white background on this navigation menu so all the navigation items are visible. So let's use the help of AI to accomplish this task. Here we can add a prompt. As you can see, we have limited credits left, but still we are going to ask the AI to fix this background. So we are adding a prompt here that says add a light white background color on the navigation menu so that the navigation links become visible. So we're going to click on this button and wait for the changes to take place. Alright, so we have a background over here now. Now let's also make this logo a bit larger. So let's add a prompt here. But instead of just asking the Lovable AI from here, we are going to click on this edit option over here and then target this logo image. And now we can specifically ask Lovable to make this logo bigger. So let's go ahead and ask. We simply said make this logo bigger so that the texts are not hard to read. Now we're going to click on this button and wait for Lovable to expand this logo. As you can see, the logo size has expanded just a little bit. If you want, you can upload your own logo. So if we click over here and select the image, we will actually be able to upload our own logo by clicking over here. But let's just leave it at that. Close the visual editor. And then head over to the About page. And on this page, we're going to scroll down to the Team section. And let's see how we can upload images. So we are going to head over back to the Visual Edits, select this image. And from here, we're going to click on Upload File and select our image. Here it is. Now let's select this image and upload another one. Here it is. Now let's select this one and let's upload the last image. Okay, great. So we have all the images. Let's also change the names. All right, so we changed the name as well. All right, now we're done with this. And now after this, we have to save our changes. So what we're going to do is click over here that says send, and it's going to save our edits. Alright, so that is how you can use your own images. Alright, after you're done editing your site, you can publish it just by clicking on this publish button. So if we click on publish, it's going to generate our website URL. So this is our website URL. We can also add a custom domain, but for that we will need to upgrade to a pro plan of Lovable. But we can simply click on continue now, and we can make this website public, so anyone with the URL will be able to visit your site. Now, if we click on continue, it's going to ask us to upload the icon of the website and the title of the site, some description, and also social media images. And you can see the changes take place over here. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to type in the name of our site. And for the description, we're going to leave it blank so that it can auto-generate the description. And then we're going to click on the continue button. And it generated everything for us. The URL, visibility is now public, and our website info is over here. Now we can also run a free security scan, which is also recommended. So I will also ask you to do that. But since this is a demonstration, we are not going to do that. We're simply going to click on publish. All right, our site is now live. If we click on view app, we will be able to see our website over here. You can see this on-scroll animation is working perfectly, and we have everything ready over here. If we click on the menu page, it's working perfectly. All the images are over here. And if we take a look at the reservation page, people will be able to make reservation from here. If we go back to the home and click on reserve a table button, it's going to directly lead us to the reservation section. So that is how you can use Lovable AI to create and customize a complete website from start to finish. And you'll also be able to make the website live in just a few clicks. Now, of course, if you need a custom domain, you have to get a Lovable Pro plan. So that is the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. And if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful content such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.